Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we have some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So, guys, I want to apologize. I've been kind of off YouTube for a while. I haven't put out a video. I was fortunate enough and blessed enough to be able to purchase a home, and been spending the last month or so moving and getting everything settled in. So I apologize. I haven't put out a video in over a month. So sorry about that, guys. Please bear with me. But we are back, guys, and just in time for the holidays. So today we're going to be looking at Harbor Freight's early Black Friday deals. Shop and save today now through 11/26. So still have a little bit of time to take advantage of these sales. We've actually been taking advantage of some of these sales that Harbor Freight has recently had. So maybe we could do a video and do kind of like an overall tool haul. If you guys want to see that, put that down in the comment section below. So before we jump into this, guys, as a reminder, we're just going to touch on things that we've had some experience with, whether it's good or bad, stuff we've heard some good or bad stuff about, and basically just give you my opinion on the products at hand. If I miss something, I apologize, but if you guys would like to, if you guys have some good or bad experiences with an item that either I missed or that I've spoke about, you guys want to agree or disagree, put that in the comment section below. So enough rambling on. You guys have waited long enough. Let's jump into some Harbor Freight savings. So right off the bat, we got the U.S. General mini steel toolbox. It's red, blue, and black. These things are pretty cool. I actually have one at my desk that I just use for like paper clips and staples and stuff like that, office supply stuff. Original price is $18.99. They're on sale for $14.99, so not a bad deal there. Absolutely love them. They're just cool to have. I don't know why. They're just something cool to have. Here we go. We have this Bunker Hill security box. It's a 50 cal ammo box. We've talked about these before, guys. These are great little ammo boxes to have. I prefer the metal ones, but the plastic ones are a lot lighter. So if you need it for something not as heavy duty, these plastic ones work just as well. This is going to be original price is $8.99. They're on sale for $7.99. So not bad there. Here we have a Merlin 3/8 inch by 50 foot rubber air hose. This is on sale for $19.99. Original price is $24.99. Here we have a Quinn 3/4 inch extendable ratchet. Regular price is $69.99. This one's on sale for $16.99. So I've had the 3/8 inch drive extendable ratchet. Absolutely love it. Never had an issue with it. When it extends out, it feels like it's gonna break, but it holds pretty well. So never had an issue with it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Moving on. We have this Pittsburgh tool set. It's a 60 piece. Original price is $24.99. It's on sale for $19.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. We've kind of talked about these tool sets before. I don't have first-hand experience with the tool sets, but for the price point, you can't beat it. I'm pretty sure some of this stuff in here you can't really use, but for $20, not a bad deal. Just to have a little tool set to throw in your vehicle in case of emergency purposes. Here we have the 1/2 inch drive impact socket set. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale right now for $16.99. So I have had the Pittsburgh impact sockets before, these specifically, and absolutely love them. I have used these extensively and I've never had an issue with them, guys. So I highly recommend Pittsburgh's impact sockets. You definitely won't be disappointed there, and for the price point, you can't beat it. Moving on, here's another fantastic buy. I highly recommend these, the Pittsburgh Flex Head SAE and Metric Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. It's a 5-piece. Original price for these are going to be $29.99. They're on sale for $21.99. Guys, these things are absolutely fantastic. I love the flex head on these, and the ratcheting mechanism stands up time after time. I've put a double wrench on these things and cracked fasteners loose, and I've yet to break one of these. So highly recommend the flex heads on this. Moving on. Here we have a Quinn premium screwdriver set. It's a 15-piece. Original price is $27.99. It's on sale right now for $21.99. Definitely not a bad deal there, guys. I have had the Quinn nut drivers in the past. I rarely use them, but seem like pretty good quality, and I really did like the grip. The grip on these Quinn screwdrivers are actually really nice. You get that rubberized grip, so not a bad deal there. Moving on. Here is this Icon Professional Impact socket adapter set. It's a 4-piece. Original price is $32.99. It's on sale for $19.99. This is another great buy. Absolutely love it. Haven't had any issues with it so far. So not a bad deal there, and you get that Icon quality. Moving on. So here we have the Merlin air blow gun with extensions. It's a 5-piece set. Original price is $8.99. It's on sale for $6.99, so not a bad deal there. Here we have another Icon item. We got the 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic 77-inch extendable underhood floodlight. Original price on this is going to be $89.99. It's on sale right now for $69.99, so not a bad deal there, guys. I've always been interested in this light from Icon. But we have the gear wrench one that we went with, and that's been a great buy there. But let me know what you guys think of this, the Icon underhood light. What's your guys' opinion on it? Let me know that in the comment section below. And the other thing too, guys, do you guys like the rechargeable underhood floodlights, or do you guys like something where you could just swap out a battery? Or even better yet, do you like something that just plugs in? Now I have the ability to plug stuff in, so it's not as imperative to have a cordless lights or cordless power tools. So now I have a little bit more option, but what's your guys' opinion? Moving on. Got a moving blanket there for $3.99 on sale. Here's a Vanguard 14/3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord in orange. Looks like it's 50 feet. Original price is $21.99. It's on sale for $19.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. I've never had Harbor Freight's extension cords. I have used some of their electrical adapters, like a extendable plug-in or something like that, but never used their extension cords. How well do you guys like them? Do they stand up? Is it just like any normal extension cord? Is it cheaper? Is it better quality than the cheaper ones? What's your guys' opinion on those? I'm kind of curious. So moving on. Got some C-clamps there. So we had the 3-inch C-clamp on sale for $329. You got the 4-inch C-clamp on sale for $399. Not a bad deal there. Here's a really great buy. It's this Pittsburgh trim and molding tool set. It's a 5-piece. Original price is $899. It's on sale right now for $549. This thing has come in handy so many times when I'm trying to take loose a door trim, especially. It's plastic, so it's not gouging into anything, and it's sturdy enough to actually pry off those tabs and stuff that are holding in the door trim or other trim in the vehicle. So highly recommend those. Moving on, we got a Hercules 20 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion compact battery. Original price is $44.99. It's on sale for $29.99, so that's not a bad deal there. Then we have the Bauer 20 volt 3 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery. That one's on original price is $59.99, and that one's on sale for $49.99. So not a bad deal there, guys, if you guys need to stock up on some extra batteries. And then we have, that is it, guys. That concludes our early Black Friday deals. Again, now through 11/26, so you guys still have some time to go out there and take advantage of these sales. Have you guys already been to Harbor Freight and taken advantage of these sales? What have you guys got? Put that in the comment section below, guys. So there you have it, guys. There is your early Black Friday deals. Again, I apologize. I've been away from YouTube for a little while, but I'm gonna be getting back in it and start trying to pump out some more videos. And I don't know, what's your guys' opinion? I might start doing some like home type improvement type DIY stuff. I'm obviously gonna continue my automotive stuff, but what do you guys think about throwing some of that mixture in there? Or you guys think I should do maybe a separate channel for it? Let me know that in the comment section below, guys. Alright, guys, so hopefully you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to go down there, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, guys, as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.